Welcome to Cybertron tutorial. In this tutorial I will explain how to use Torrentfinder. Torrentfinder is a simple, bash script that uses wget, grep, etc. to list the top 5 torrents found on each of the 8 sites based on the search you made. Tested and working on Arch Linux, Torrentfinder should work on any other Linux distro. Download it using git clone command. Give executing permission to tf.sh. Run tf.sh. Enter the file name to search. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share.